Hello everyone, here is today's problem. If a, b, c are positive, we are asked to prove that a to the power of 5 over b squared plus b over c plus c cubed over a squared greater than 2a. As usual, we let j to be the expression on the left hand side of the inequality. Now we try to use German inequality. Before that, let us do something about it. So we can say that this is x over a to the power of 5 over x b squared plus y times b over yc and plus z times c power 3 over a squared. This will be greater or equals to x plus y plus z. Then everything to the power of 1 over x plus y plus z. And this will be a5 xb squared to the power of x, b over yc to the power of y, and c power 3 over a squared to the power of z. And we hope that this will be greater than 2a, meaning that we only want to see the terms in a. So in order to do that, we wish to have the term in a, that is a to the power of 5x minus 2z to the power of 1 over x plus y plus z will be just equals to a to the power 1. In other words, this will be power x plus y plus z. In other words, 5x minus 2z equals x plus y plus z, which means that 4x equals y plus 3z. So this is the first thing that we want to have. And for b, we do not want to have any term in b. So b to the power of negative 2x plus y should be equals to 1, meaning that y equals to 2x. And lastly, there's no term in c. So c to the power of negative y plus 3z also has to be equals to 1. So again, y equals to 3z. Combine these three relation on x, y, and z, it is not difficult to see that the ratio of x, y, z. It means that the ratio of x to y to z is 3 to 6 to 2. So with this in mind, you know what to do now. So now let x to be 3, y to be 6, and z to be 2. So this will be greater or equals to 11 a5 3b squared to the power of 3, b over 6c to the power of 6, c power 3 over 2a squared power 2 to the power of 1 over 11. This will be equals 11. So for a, it will be power 15 minus 4. So a is power 11. For b, your power 0 and c will power 0. That's good. Now we have 1 over 3 to the power of 3, then 6 to the power of 6, and 2 to the power of 2, raised to the power of 11. A to the power of 11 to the power of 1 over 11, this will equals to a. So we can write in this. Now, in order to show that this is greater than 2a, we need to check if 11 multiplied with 1 over 3 power 3, 6 power 6, 2 power 2 to the power of 1 over 11 greater than 2. So we'll focus on this calculation. Now, to show this inequality, we use German inequality again on this number 3, 3, 3, 6, 6, 6 of them, and 2, 2. So over 11, this will be greater 3 to the power of 3, 6 to the power of 6, 2 to the power of 2, to the power of 1 over 11. This means that 1 over 3, 3, 6, 6, 2, 2 to the power of 1 over 11 is greater than 11 over 9 plus 36 plus 4, which is 9 over 49. And 11 multiplied with 1 over 3366 to the power of 1 over 11 is greater than 121 over 49. This is obviously greater than 2, which means that this inequality is true. Therefore, this is true. So we have proved that J is greater than 2A. And we see that in order to show this inequality, we use AMGN inequality twice. That's all for today's problem. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.